I always come across this question: what can I do to be successful in poultry farming? Well, if you are looking to start or grow a profitable poultry farm, you are in the right place. Poultry farming can be highly rewarding, but success depends on proper planning, management, and execution. In the next few minutes, I will share only 4 key steps to help you succeed in poultry farming business. I'm Ben, your passionate poultry farmer. I welcome you to Bernard Farms. Stay tuned. Like I always say, do your research first on what you want to do. So step number 1, choose the right poultry niche. In poultry farming, we have 3 common types of poultry production. That is egg production, meat production, and breeding. There is also specialty poultry that I can count as the 4th one, but I stated those 3 because they are the common ones. On specialty, you deal with birds like quails, peacocks. So as a beginner, research market demand in your area. Broilers or layers are the easiest to start with. And as you gain experience, you can change to breeding or expand as you progress. Pick the type of production that aligns with your budget, space, and customer needs. You'll find out in your area most of the people they are doing broilers, so you can do layers instead. That is if your budget allows you to do so, because layers takes time to give you back, but broilers, it's a matter of 6 to 8 weeks you start getting money. On step 2, set up proper housing and equipment. Next, invest in good housing. Your poultry house or chicken coop should be well ventilated. Check on my previous video if you haven't watched it yet. I talked about all you need to know about ventilation. And the next point is secure your housing and farm from predators and diseases. Biosecurity is crucial. And never overcrowd your beds. At least 1 square feet per bed for broilers and 2 square feet for layers. Essential equipment includes feeders, drinkers, lighting, and heating for brooding. And proper hygiene is critical. Clean and disinfect regularly to prevent the outbreak of diseases. Step 3, quality feeding and healthy management. Nutrition is key. Provide high quality feed with the right proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Broilers need starter, grower, and finisher feeds, while layers need calcium-rich feed for strong eggshell and good laying rate. For healthy, vaccinate birds against common diseases like Newcastle and isolate sick birds before the disease spread. Step 4, marketing and financial management. Finally, sell smart. Identify your buyers, local markets or restaurants, or even wholesalers. Build relationships and offer consistent quality services. And track expenses. Everything should be recorded. Feed, vaccines, and labor, and also income to ensure profitability. Like I always say, start small and think big. Reinvest profits and scale up over time. We have come to the end of this video. There you have it, 4 steps to be successful in poultry farming. You won't go wrong if you follow these steps. With dedication, your poultry business can thrive. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit subscribe, like and share. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Till next time, peace, love and light.